original on the inside. Seaberg indicator, come on, please. Step back here for a reason. Might be modded, I don't know, we'll find out. Open, please. Nope, it's modded. Oh, it's open. This is also Seaberg, but this one's kept mostly original. Unfortunately, it was modded on the inside too. And I gotta quickly finish because I gotta get back upstairs. £4,000. No brand for the mod, at least. It's got a Hepling foot on it. And I'm not gonna watch it close, that's it. Once we level off. That's it.